Hello students, welcome to Shri Sit Vidyapith School. I hope you are all doing good and staying safe from this COVID-19. So students, today we will be doing the question and answers of the poem Wishing. So in this poem we read about how poet described us to make the world better place, wiser place and happy place. In this poem we read how we can make the world better place by the acts of goodness, and how we can help others with our kindness, and how we can help the world with our wisdom that we gain from the universe. So today we will be discussing about the question and answers of this chapter. So let's begin the question and answers. So right below the poem, the reading comprehension. Answer these questions within 20 words each. What qualities should our actions have such that they make this world better? Our actions should be straight and true to make the world better. What should we get our minds rid of? We should get our minds free of all selfish motives and keep our thoughts clean and high. Where should we accumulate our wisdom? We should accumulate wisdom in the scrapbook of our heart. What should we scatter? We should scatter seeds of kindness as we go along. Next part. B. Answer these questions in 30 to 40 words each. How, according to the poet, can we make a little Eden? According to the poet, we can create our own little Eden if our actions are straight and true, our mind is free of all selfish motives, and our thoughts are clean and high. What should we do to make the world wiser? In order to make the world wiser, we can first start by accumulating what wisdom we have gathered in the scrapbook of our heart. We should not waste a single page of that scrapbook on foolishness, but live to learn and learn to live. Explain the last two lines of the poem in your own words. The poet says that the hand that plants an acorn in the ground is responsible for the growth of an oak tree, which is so large that it can shelter armies. Great actions, therefore, begin from small deeds. Each stanza of the poem begins with a question. What purpose do you think this serves? Every stanza in the poem begins with a question because the poet is offering solutions to their questions that are important for the readers if they wish to have a better world to live. Move on to next one. Answer these questions in 80 to 100 words each. So students, here I am just giving the solutions. I will not read out the answers. Do it on your own. I have given the solutions of these questions, so I just read out the questions now. Summarize the poem in your own words. Here is the solution. Write it in your note copy. Next one. Comment on the tone of the poem. Is it optimistic or pessimistic? Cite examples the poem to support your answer. So students, here is the question and answers of the poem Wishing. Please kindly note it in your class note copy and learn it by heart. If you have any doubts regarding this poem or this question and answers, you can ask me. I am going to clear it out in the next video. Until then, thank you.